Hey Caillou. Today I am going to work. And I better not see you watch porn or sex while I gone. Got it?
Yes, that.
Good. Now be alone.
Since my dad's gone, I am going to watch porn again. Ha 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 ha. But I am going to eat all DA food in DA kitchen. Cause everyone is not here, just me. H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A. Time to eat all the food. Yum. Hum. Yummy. Hum. Yummy. Hum. Yummy. Hum. Hum. Yummy.
Caillou. Did you eat all the food? What the fuck?
Yes. Why are you wearing glasses?
'Cause of work. Now let me see, what am I going to deal with you? You're going to watch your nightmare until your grounding is over.
Wah. 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 I hate this wah. Ah. 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 Wah.
Ever out of here.
God DWANIMT.